The 2025 Infiniti QX80 continues to uphold its reputation as a luxurious full-size SUV that combines elegant design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. With a commanding presence, the QX80 is designed to make a statement on the road. Its bold exterior features a prominent grille, sleek LED headlights, and refined lines that enhance its overall sophistication. The large SUV sits on imposing alloy wheels, and its aerodynamic shape belies its size, creating a balanced blend of ruggedness and elegance. Under the hood, the QX80 is powered by a robust 5.6-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 413 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with the 7-speed automatic transmission, this engine ensures a smooth and powerful driving experience. Whether cruising on highways or tackling rough terrain, the QX80 handles with confidence thanks to its rear-wheel drive setup, with an available all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction. The suspension is fine-tuned to provide a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps while maintaining stability. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Premium materials such as leather, wood, and soft-touch surfaces adorn the interior, creating an atmosphere of refinement. The spacious 3-row seating accommodates up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom in all rows. Heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and available semi-aniline leather upholstery enhance comfort, making long journeys more enjoyable. The second-row captain's chairs offer added comfort and can be replaced with a bench seat for increased passenger capacity. Infiniti has equipped the QX80 with an array of advanced technologies to ensure convenience and entertainment. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system serves as the centerpiece, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. A premium Bose sound system with multiple speakers delivers exceptional audio quality, transforming the cabin into a concert-like environment. Passengers in the rear can enjoy an optional entertainment system with dual monitors, keeping everyone entertained on long trips. Safety is a priority in the 2025 QX80, with a suite of driver assistance features designed to provide peace of mind. Standard safety systems include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. An adaptive cruise control system with stop-and-go functionality makes highway driving more effortless, while a surround view camera system simplifies parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Infiniti's Pro Pilot Assist offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, further enhancing the vehicle's safety credentials. Practicality is another strong suit of the QX80. The generous cargo space behind the third row can be expanded significantly by folding the rear seats flat, making it ideal for family vacations or shopping trips. Numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin ensure that small items can be easily organized and accessed. The towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds adds versatility, allowing the QX80 to tow boats, trailers, or recreational vehicles with ease. Overall, the 2025 Infiniti QX80 stands out as a luxurious and capable SUV that caters to families and individuals seeking a blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Its striking design, spacious interior, and advanced features make it a compelling choice in the competitive full-size SUV market. Whether navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, the QX80 is designed to deliver an exceptional driving experience.